Hey dolls and friends, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michon and I create farmhouse inspired home decor using majority of Dollar Tree products or other affordable things. But if you're not new, hey doll, hey. So in today's video, I am sharing with you guys two quick and easy DIYs that can be decorated and created for spring or Easter. Projects like these, I love to keep in my back pocket and share them with you guys. So that way, if you only have like an hour or less to create something and you're just itching to do it, these type of projects will do that for you. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up because it helps with my channel's growth. If you're new, I love what you see, but also love all things home decor, DIYing on a budget. I would appreciate if you consider subscribing and hitting the bell right next to it so you're notified every time that I upload. I am trying to get to 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you guys can subscribe if you're not subscribed, or share this with your friends if you think it's something that they would like, and make sure that they subscribe, that would be awesome, amazing, and great. All right, dolls, let's go ahead and jump into the video. For this DIY, I am taking this barn sign from the Dollar Tree. I am first going to paint the front of it black. I wanted to cover up the red, but honestly, you could skip this step. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint my Sweet Home phrase using my Cameo Pink color paint from Apple Barrel, and I gave that about 2 coats. After my barn was dry with that black paint, I decided to go over the front of it with some white. Honestly, I really did this two different colors because I wasn't sure if I wanted the barn to be black or white. In the end, as you can see, I decided to paint this white, and I used my Waverly chalk paint. I did end up giving it 2 coat paints of that white because I don't know if my black paint wasn't dry, but it was like clumping up my white paint. So after it was done, I did decide to do the trim of, or the sides of the barn using my white chalk paint as well. And then I'm also going to be using this heart that I got from a pack from a sweet subscriber that sends me mail. You guys are so awesome, sending me stuff all the time, even sending my kids some clothes. I could not be and feel more blessed. Phoebe's not happy right now, guys. Hold on. And we're back. So then I also ended up painting the front trim of the barn using the color Chocolate Sprinkle just to give it dimension of color and have it look just a little bit different. I then went to my Cricut Joy and cut out a stencil with the name Georgia on it. And then I am going to use my that same pink Cameo Pink color to stencil that at the bottom of my barn because I have the Sweet Home going in the middle of this sign. Once that dries, then I'm just going to take my super glue gel and just put that on the back of the sign, and then go ahead and get that stuck down as best I can. And then I am going to hot glue that rattan heart right at the very top and just center that as best I could, and just use some hot glue for that heart. Is it twine? I forget. Somebody told me what this was before, but I cannot remember for the life of me. I'll blame it on mom brain and leave it at that. Once everything was into place, I just used my finger sander to give my barn a little bit of a farmhouse charm and gave it some distressing by just sanding down a little bit of my paint. And that's it for this one. I think it's so adorable, super cute. I absolutely love putting this up in my home around the spring. Next up, we're going to make a super cute, easy egg garland. So I have these styrofoam eggs from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use that same, is it the same? No, I think I used a baby pink chalk paint, acrylic paint color, and I used 4 of these eggs. I put them on a skewer for me to be able to paint them a whole lot easier. Trust me, it's a lot easier. Paint that, did 2 coats, set it aside, and then I am going to take some jute cord or string, and then I'm going to loop that through a threading needle and then put some beads in between the eggs. So what I did is I did 4 beads or 3 beads, no, 4 beads, an egg, and then 4 beads and an egg, 4 beads and an egg. Super easy to do this. Just make sure that your threading needle is long enough to push it through the egg, so you see it at the top and the bottom of the egg. Then I'm just going to tie this off with some tassels on the end with that same jute, and all I do is wrap it around 4 of my fingers about 20 times, and then I cut that off, cut a piece, tie it in the middle, cut it down at the bottom, and then just tie it off so it has that little bit of that hump at the top, you know, where you put you string the string through, the jute through. Y'all know what I'm talking about. There are tons of tutorials out there to look at how to make tassels. I know I didn't teach it very well just now, but I have many on my channel and you can find them. But that's how I make mine, and then just attach it to the last bead. And that is it for this one. Super adorable. You can make it longer if you want, whatever you want to add to the ends. I think it is absolutely adorable and super duper easy. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like I said, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Be blessed, stay safe, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.
Hi, friends. Bye-bye.
Share them with you all. Miss Phoebe said no camera time for her today. She's just gonna do her, you know? And she was getting heavy in my arms, so there you go.